This is Rashawn Andrew with number 3, which is given the point slope. Given the points basically. So first we got 6, comma 5 parentheses. Wait, it's a G. That's a G. That means 6. And then comma -7 parentheses 1. So I like to go ahead and put these x1, y1, x2, y2. Y2. So I'm never getting confused, even though I still getting confused. So, and we're gonna write down the point slope formula because we're gonna need that later in this long question. So you're gonna write y equals y minus 1 y minus 1 y minus y1 equals m. In other words, m is slope. Parentheses x minus x1. We're gonna act like y'all heard the right one the first time. So first you're gonna do is find the slope for number 1. For number 1. So you're gonna have slope. Remember, m is always slope. Don't forget. Just like m stands for money, m stands for slope in math. Okay, let's remember that. So you're gonna write y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Now you got m, which is slope. Remember, m stands for slope, m stands for money. Remember that. So y2 is 1. y1. You know what? I'm just gonna write these because I keep getting confused, and you're gonna see it on the radio. Because I'm not gonna keep confusing you guys. So 1 is y2, 5 is y1, -7 is x2, and minus 6 is x1, but it's 6. But you gotta subtract, so that's why that's there. So you're gonna get -4, not 4. You're gonna get -4, and you're gonna get -13. And which gonna change because negative equals a positive. You always gotta keep it positive. So you're gonna get not negative. Okay, hold up. Two negatives equal an equal sign basically. So it's gonna be 4 over 13. So now we gonna fill the formula. Fill in the formula. Let's write that down. Fill in formula. We're gonna take out the and we're gonna put formula because that's gonna make sense too long. So now you got y minus 5. Wait, before we do this, remember when I said point slope formula? This is what I was talking about. We're gonna need this for that. Remember Blue's Clues? We're gonna need that secret thing for later. So now you got y minus 5 equals 4 over 13. Parentheses x minus 6. And I'm sorry if I'm writing fast because that's how I do. So now what we're going to do is do 4 over 13 times x and 4 over 13 times 6. And we're going to do it over here because some people don't understand that. So you're going to do 4 over 13 times -6 over 1. You gotta put 1 because you just can't do 4 over 13 times 6 because that's gonna get you like a weird little fraction. So you're gonna get -24 over 13, and that's how you get that. So then now you're gonna have y minus 5 equals 4 over 13 x plus minus, not plus. I'm tripping. Minus 24 over 13. How we got 24 is right here. 4 over 13 times -6 over 1. You get -24 over 13 basically. So now you're going to add 5 on both sides. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 on both sides. And now you're going to do this right here. This is 5 down 3. Wait, you know what? So you do 5 and 3. So when you do this, you're going to take it like we did over here because you're going to get a weird problem. So you get 24 over 13 plus 5 over 1. And you're going to get 24 over 13. And how you get, and you're going to get 65. So basically, you're going to get 65. And how you get 65, you may ask. You're going to do 13 times 5. And that's how you get 65. And then you're going to equal 41. So 41. So how you got 41? You did 65 plus negative 24. And you get 41 over 13. And that's how you do that, basically. So then now you have, y equals 4 over 3 x plus 41 over 13. So you're going to subtract y on both sides, basically. Subtract y on both sides. And your equation, you're going to change this, basically, because you already changed it. So now you're going to have it as 0 equals. So now you're going to have 4 over 13 x plus 41 over 13 minus y. So now you had to put the 0 because you can't just subtract y on both sides because that's the how math works at all. So you're going to plus y on this side, plus y on this side, and you're going to get, I'm sorry, my problem looked retarded. So you're going to be y equals 4 over 13 plus 41 over 13 x. I forgot the x, I'm sorry. I forgot the x. You got to bring the x down. I don't know, I always forget to put that. And this is your final slope intercept equation, basically. Hold on, let me write that down first because y'all be tripping for it. Final slope intercept equation. Thank you. It's another problem by Rashawn. Thank you for